sisters, I got a letter package from my girl Michelle. Thank you for sending it to me. Now it's time to open. Uh-oh, I missed a free sticker. So let's see. Got this open. That open. Ooh, dang girl, you got this all tied up. Let's see here. Try to open it with a pen. It's not easy. So, got pretty paper. And I got a card. Let's see what the card says. It says, thanks. And a couple of her business cards. Check her out. She's awesome. And it says, enjoy your goodies. Thank you for the help and support. My girl, Michelle. You're welcome, girl. So, let's see all the goodies I got here. I got a cloth. Oh, this is so pretty. I want to see how it feels. Put my plate up. Got me some other goodies today. Courtesy of my cousin. Thanks for the hookup. Hooky hookup. So, we'll move this over. Got beautiful cloth. So soft. And put this in here. So I got cloth. I got some face masks. I got some brushes. I got cherry blossom mist. I got oil concealer mask, control mask. My favorite color, girl, you know me so well. Purple, lavender. I got me some hand cream. Gorgeous, gorgeous earrings with a nice little cute bag that goes with it. Or wait, oh, it's a bracelet. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous bracelet. I don't know if you guys can see it. And last but not least, hydrating mask. And that is all. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And check out my girl Michelle. I will put her link in the description so you guys can check her out. So till then, you have a wonderful day. Bye, sisters.